Hey guys, editing Kelsey here to give you some preface to this video. I don't really know what's happening, why it happened, how we got here, but here we are. And I just wanted to say sorry for looking like an absolute fetus for 70% of this video. It's rough. It's rough. No one wants to see you with wet hair looking like a naked mole rat, but that's what we're gonna get for a while. And then I'm gonna look pretty cute. I mean, you saw in the thumbnail, it's worth it, but we just have to hold on tight until we get there. So, sorry about that. You're welcome. Hope you enjoy it. Whatever this is.
Well, hello. Funny running into you here in my bathroom. As you can tell by the title, I don't really know why, but I am dyeing my hair pink. Join me on this beautiful ride. So I've done this once before, like maybe almost 2 years ago. And I didn't take any pictures and I don't really remember exactly how it turned out. So we're just gonna go in again, kind of blind, a little blind. And I'm gonna be using this Kristin S temporary tint. So you put it on in the shower. So I have my bathing suit on, my towel, I'm like all ready and set to go. But I'm a little nervous because I think most likely I'm going to make this a hot mess. It's gonna be blotchy. I don't know. I guess we'll end up finding out. So, this is my before hair. You know, just blonde. It's pretty dirty right now. I needed to shower anyway, so I was like, why not make a video out of it? Speaking of, I didn't make a video last week. I apologize about that. I just started back into university. I'm just like getting in the routine of like being a productive gal and you know, all that stuff. It's an adjustment. So here we are. Thank you so much for like over 350 subscribers. I'm so thankful. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So without further ado, I'm going to basically just jump in the shower. The instructions for this is that I have to shampoo my hair and then rinse it. And then I'm gonna towel dry it and spray this on. You can just like put it in the shower like while it's wet, but then it'll be like a lot less pigmented. So I am going to towel dry it and like try to get it like kind of bright-ish. So I don't know. Hopefully this isn't a massive mistake, but I mean, maybe it would just make for a better video. So let's go. Okay, so I took my hair down, I have my bathing suit on, I'm gonna jump in the shower, shampoo my hair, and then come out, towel dry it, and we shall do the application together. Whew. Oh, and then comes the fun part. Okay, so shampooed. Now I'm gonna try to just brush this out a little bit so we get the color kind of even right in here. Although it's pretty hard without conditioner to brush this out. I'm scared it's gonna be so blotchy. Why am I even doing this? I don't know. The only thing I remember about doing it last time is that like the front pieces were like bright pink and then the rest was like pale pink. And I was like, yikes. Sectioned off.
Okay.
Time for our big regrets. Let me just try a little part and then I'll get you to do it. Oh my god, okay. I'm getting it on the door. I don't even know at this point. I feel like we just have to kind of go for it. I'm scared. Next part?
No.
Okay. Kind of scared.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Oh my god! It's in my
Well, I told you close your eyes. You didn't close your mouth too. Okay, close your eyes and mouth.
Don't spray it like right on the top.
No, I won't.
Okay.
Frick, I'm a hairdresser. Okay, you're done. Oh, wait. Close your eyes. Okay, done. Voila. You look like Avril Lavigne.
Oh my
Had
God.
a situation.
Do you have your phone with you?
Yeah.
Are you able to set a 2-minute timer? It says to wait for 2 minutes before rinse. What do people with pink hair do? What am I gonna do? Am I gonna start a band? I'm gonna start a clothing label.
You are now the lead singer of Paramore. And you got 3 new piercings.
Ah, yes.
And 4 tattoos. And you moved to LA.
Yeah.
And you now hate everyone because
Yeah.
you think you're better than them.
Yeah, I'm like too cool. Like.
No. You're not too cool. You just.
Oh. Okay, I'm just like.
You're just like, I'm better than you, and like, I hate everyone.
I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's what you're wearing? And then after I rinse this out, I'm gonna do like full transformation. I'm gonna be like a new woman.
This is our new pink door.
Super high fashion.
We got it on Wayfair for $700.
Yes.
It is.
Gives you that very artistic look. Workshop vibes. Studio vibes. Was that the timer going off?
Can you imagine if I would have done it right when the time went off, so then you would
Oh my
have to
God.
put it in the video?
Well, I still have to put it in the video.
Oh, okay. Well, you're done.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna rinse. Conditioner. I guess I have to blow dry too. I wasn't really thinking about that.
Yep, it's a life.
Alright, I'll see you in a couple minutes. Why, hello. So yeah, I don't even know what to say. This is my hair. It's nothing like crazy. I don't know if you can tell in the lighting. It's like pretty, it's pink, but it's not like neon or anything, but it's definitely pink. And then I did, a little bit of a crazy little look. I don't really know what I was doing. Kind of euphoria inspired. I've been seeing these looks around lately, and I just kind of wanted an excuse to play around with some makeup because I haven't done that in a while. So I really have no idea what this video is even gonna be. It's kind of just hang out with me in my bathroom for a few minutes. I don't know. I just wanted to do this. Thought it would be a fun video. For some reason I always decide to do full glam at 8 p.m. And then I'm just like, okay, well, good night. I have nowhere to go. I feel like you can tell in this lighting what the hair color actually looks like. And if I didn't say before, this does wash out, but it's after 3 or 4 rinses, or 3 or 4 washes, it'll be washed out, I believe. I'll update you guys in the comments below once it's fully gone, tell you how long it lasted. But yeah, this is gonna be the look for a little while. Okay, so at this point in the video, I thought it would be a good idea to get Jaden's reaction to my transformation, even though he literally colored it for me and I sat beside him while I did my makeup. So yeah, it didn't work out, so I decided to leave in all of the trial footage of that little experience here. So please enjoy this genuine reaction. Okay, wait, hold on.
What's she doing?
I'm gonna get your reaction.
Okay. Let me practice it once.
Okay,
Damn! Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful.
that was fake. You gotta try better than that.
Oh my god.
Hey, JJ. Okay.
I saw you.
Hey, JJ.
Okay. Hey.
What?
Did I just turn around? I say, hey, and then like I
You
don't
don't
know.
have to say hey, you just turn around.
Okay.
Hey, JJ.
Hey.
What you think?
It's too
Oh
hard.
my God.
It's too hard. No, okay. No, you call me, and then I'll come over to you.
Okay, I'm gonna call Jaden to the bathroom and get his reaction to the final reveal. So let's see what he has to say. JJ? Yeah? Do you want to come see?
Oh my gosh! It's so pretty.
Hey!
I'm sorry. You are beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
It looks so nice.
Do you actually like it?
Yeah, I actually do like it. Dang, I did a good job, hey?
Mm-hmm. Taking clients now.
You look like you're going to Coachella.
You like my makeup?
Yeah, you little stickers. They're nice.
Stickers?
Yeah, glitters. What are they? Funfettis?
You should.
They look so pretty though. I love it. Yeah. I really do love it.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know you had to film one.
So I think he likes it. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be my permanent look, but kind of a good time. Again, don't really know what this video is. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's go have like a little photo shoot moment now. I'm gonna probably take some selfies. If one of them turns out, I'll probably insert in here so you can just see me trying to pretend to be an Insta baddie. And I don't know what this video is. I'm sorry if this was like kind of random, but yeah. I'll have the products that I used linked in the description box down below. And if you have any other video requests, let me know. I think I'm going to be filming another video tomorrow, so you'll see the hair one more time at least. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?